Okay, for problem number 5, we have to now read the hot CSV file, and then we need to read the PID CSV file, and we have to use squeeze equal to true. So this patient ID will be read into a pandas series, and we need that to be a pandas series for us to be able to include it. Okay, so say DF5, we're going to add into DF5 say PID. Okay, and if you say S5, so that's going to get added to DF5. Okay, and then we want to promote that PID as the index, so we do DF5, okay, set index, right, okay, PID. Now we have to do in place equal to true, okay. So now let's look at DF5. All right, so that takes us up to C. So A, B, and then C. We have read the patient IDs and we have made patient ID the index. Okay. Next, we want to sort the data frame by index. Okay, we do sort index, and once again we need to make it in place equal to true. Okay, and then we have E, where we want to select only the FBS value. It's 0 or 1, and we want to select the ones with FBS value equal to 1. Okay, so that is the high sugar. So we say P1 sugar. Okay, and we're going to save it there. Okay, so we say DF5. Okay, and the mask is DF5 FBS, right? And we want to check whether it is 1. Okay, if it is 1, so we need to use two equal signs because we are comparing. So if it is equal to 1, then it will get included in P1 sugar. Okay, so now we have the P1 sugar. Okay, so now we want the average age of this set, so we can do P1 sugar, right? So that's the subset of all the FBS equal to 1, and in that data frame we want to look at age, and we want to do a mean of that, and send that. So that's the mean, and then we have G, where we want to do another filtering, this time for age. So say P2 age equal to DF5. Okay, so now we're going to do this in a slightly different way. So we look at the location, say DF5 dot age is greater than or equal to 65. So that's going to select the rows from DF5 with age is greater than or equal to 65. So then let's print P2 age. So there you have it. And then we want to slice P2 edge. So you have P2 edge 3 to end. So that will give you that. Okay. All right. So since this is the row that we are slicing on, we didn't have to use .I lock, but that will give you the same answer as well. Okay, and then okay, so P2 edge. Now this time we want to slice by column, and so we have to do a lock here. Okay, next is I, and we want to now slice by the row index labels. So we have to do a lock, and then starting from the beginning to X446. Okay. And then we have J. Now we want all the rows for column CP through CHOL. So P2 edge. Now we use lock all the rows in P2 edge. Then we do CP through CHOL. Then we have K. Now we want to set up another data frame by slicing. DF5, we want age to be greater or equal to 5, and then we want to select some columns. So we have to do a dot lock. So DF5 age greater than or equal to 65, and then CP through CHOL. Okay, there should be an equal sign there. Okay. Now we want to find median for all the rows, so and we want to define a function for this. So let's say R lambda or R lam equal to lambda, and when we give x, okay, it's either column or row, and the operation that we want to find perform is median of that. Okay, so when we call R lam, then you'll get the median. So we say df5 dot apply. Since this is a function, we need to do apply R lam, and that will give you the median. And then we want rank. for P1 sugar. So we take the age and then we do a rank of that. Okay. And then we want to do a describe of the whole thing.